Protecting the grizzly is going to take more effort than ever. Solutions to save wildlife and wild places are advancing right under our noses. Working Dogs for Conservation is an international group with grassroots ties. They are training rescue dogs to get the science that we need in the field as grizzlies navigate the wildland and urban interface.
This organization was founded because they wanted to develop techniques that would make it easier to determine populations in a less invasive way. So we don't have to actually touch the animal to get the results that we're looking for. We're doing two things. We're trying to find scat along critical crossings so that we can determine how many bears are crossing in the specific areas to reduce highway collision. The other project we're working on is determining population sizes in Missoula, so more urban. And one of the biggest issues with bears being killed is human conflicts.
I'm very excited about Working Dogs for Conservation and the ability for the dogs to detect bear scats. If we could go into, let's say, an important wildlife linkage zone, and we're needing to acquire data on the number of bears crossing between point A and point B, I could walk that whole stretch and maybe find 2 or 3 scats. The dogs could find 10 times that amount. It might surprise us. It might be some stretch we don't think is even a good linkage zone. But if the bears are using it, then that's what we should serve, is that site. If we don't have grizzly bears in Montana in 40 years, and we haven't figured out a way to connect all of the little island Forest Service mountain range areas, it's going to be a sad day to me. You know, we don't want to see these species blink out in the lower 48 like grizzly bears, fishers, wolverines. It means we aren't doing our job caretaking for the land.